Okay, YouTubers, here's the DMV test number 4 for the California motorcycle permit. I'm going to go kind of slow so you guys can read these answers because all the other ones I see online are going too fast and they're too blurry. Keep in mind that when you're taking your permit test, if you have not taken your written test on California automobile laws within the last 12 months, they're going to require you to take the automobile test along with the motorcycle test. So if you don't pass that and you get a perfect score like I did on the motorcycle exam, you still will not get your permit. So you need to study, and I did not. But I still actually snaked through with some of the no-brainer questions that were on it. So anyways, you've already seen answers number 1 and 2. I'm going to scan through the rest of it so you can use this as a study technique here. Over 25 questions on this one. Sorry, the DMV ripped the question off here. I forget what the question was. If I'm going too fast on some of these, you can always go back in the video and review the answers. But I studied some of the ones I saw on YouTube before I went into the exam, and this helped out tremendously on at least 5 or 6 of the questions. So I believe you can only miss 4 on this entire one. See, it says, yep, 4 errors or less. So good luck. I hope this helps you guys out.